Beautiful home at an attractive price sitting on nearly 3/4 of an acre of gentle ground. This 2006 manufactured home from Dutch Housing has been affixed to the property and shows like brand new. Homeowner is meticulous and keeps everything clean, neat, and tidy. Buyers added a standing seam metal roof and installed new fully insulated plumbing under the home. Wonderful deck running the entire length of the home with a covered barbecue area, spectacular lighting, and an outdoor shower. Inside the 3-bedroom 2-bath home you will find a wonderful floor plan with several unique features including great closets, wash sink in the laundry, stainless appliances, soaker tub, and a large kitchen area perfect for entertaining. If you need additional room, there is a detached tractor trailer that has been converted to storage and a place for additional finished living space.